Hey guys, this is MDP Tech, and today we are unboxing something from Little Froggy. And here my fellow friend to unbox this. It's going to be a little thing. Handy dandy tool. I love it. It should be in general. Wow. I even got this reflective thing. Yeah, they delayed it for a long time. Okay, NZXT Control Hub, digital RGB lighting and fan speed controller. First of all, let's open this up. Okay, do I need anything? Oh no, there's just this adhesive stripe that's just come out like this, and it should come easily. But what happened? Let me try to do it like this. So the next time, nice, quite nice package. A little box, I understand. Okay, digital RGB control fan. What do we have here? This is the component list. What is there? It's 8-pin splitter, then RGB splitter from 1 to 3, then 4-pin PW fan splitter if we want more fans and we only have this one, then 3M dual lock. I think I'm gonna do it later with all the build, but we'll see. Yes, what else there? Global warranty, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's see. Oh, I guess I need to open the accessories first. That's the, I guess, but this is just 4-pin fan, and this is the 8-pin NZXT. So this goes from the 8-pin of NZXT to the 2 4-pin fan. Oh, not 4-pin. This is one. Oh, and this goes, I guess, here. No. Where's that? Simple 4-pin. Yes, this is the extension of the RGB connect or fan connectors, because they look similar. Oh, and the other is definitely a fan extensions. This is even 3-pin. What is this? Oh yeah, this is definitely extension like this. Anyway, let's see what it sells in the box. Oh, there's a few of these locks. I guess you put it one on that side and... Okay. And here we have it right there. NZXT Control Hub. NZXT 8-pin, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fan extension and RGB extension. Nice. So we can actually extend it like this from 1 to few, or we can extend it straight. I think that wasn't as it should be. I think that should be just an extension like this to connect one fan. Oh no, you connected one fan, but then you can extend it through here. Well, we'll see later down the line, but now at least I know how the NZXT 8-pin looks like. Okay, these strips Oh yeah. Good. Let's put it back to the back. Put the extension cables there. And let's try to find the NZXT 8-pin connection from the H5 Flow case. Let's get the case right here. Bam! I think this should be good. Hup. Let's open this up. And I see some connectors here, but this is just single 3 fan. I don't think I'm looking for this one. Oh, because this is simple fan. Oh, that's right. That's right. Okay. We need to find the 8-pin connector from the fan. Problem is, I don't know where the connector is and where it is going. Oh, okay. It's going through here. Yeah, here. I wonder, does this fan really connects easily to the extension from that, or? You see, I don't understand why it doesn't come with a 8-pin. Because this fan, I'm talking about the front fan from the NZXT H5 Flow RGB. I thought the fan that's inside of the case has actual 8-pin connector, but it turns out it doesn't. So how to connect it? I guess through the extension. Okay, so here we have 8-pin. Here we have RGB and PWM. So I guess we need to, extend it. So if this is the fan, then we need to connect it through this one. Look, it is. There's one pin is open. What? This looks like RGB connector. So what is this connector then? Okay. Yeah, because otherwise, yeah. So this is the male. Goes into the female extension. Okay, so now I have what? 3 RGB connectors and 3 connectors. Yes. So this is 3 RGBs and 3 fan connectors. And you put it, this NZXT 8-pin to the NZXT 8-pin controller. Let's put it to the first, for example. Where could be a good place for it? I guess here? Oh, and this is magnet. I don't need to do anything. That's awesome. That's awesome. You don't even need any tape. This is magnet. Damn. Well, this is this is cool. Simple and cool. I thought, because under the description they wrote 3M double tape included. And I thought, oh my gosh, I bought this NZXT thing and I bought this, and the old one was magnetic and the new one under the Velcro, with double Velcro or something, and I thought, why? Okay, so that was pretty much a bad marketing from I think from my side. That was bad marketing. Okay, let me open this up. It's going to connect to the this goes to the simple ordinary, I think, CPU or some other connector. We can have already have it here or something like this. Yeah, we can hold it like this. Nice. Okay, now we need to figure it out. Do I need to, connect both of these? Or where this goes to? What is this? So this, in theory, can be put here. But here, it definitely can't. So you can put that there. Let's put it. Cool. That's connected, yeah? So what to do with this one? It's going to connect it here also, just like that. Oh, Jesus Christ. So if you want to connect this straight to the motherboard, you need to connect the RGB connector through this. But if you want to connect just straight to the hub, you connect it with this proprietary 4-pin connector of the RGB from NZXT. And now they're stuck. No, it's cool. Cool. So at least we did it. And it's connected. Yeah. Going further. Waiting for more parts. Then we're gonna make it look more pretty. You know. We're gonna do some routing and so on. We can also now connect the back fan. That's also awesome. With the same build. Cool. Put that to the side. Let's connect the connector down there. Extension of the control hub. Route it somehow. And now we have this now, but we need to use not one of the proprietary. No. This is the for RGB, and that is we need to use for the simple. No. Yeah, simple fan. This is the first. Then goes the second, and we can connect it here. Cool. Now we have connected the front fans, these ones, and we have connected the back fan also, that 120mm fan. Cool. So that was the unboxing of the NZXT Control Hub and also a little bit of routing. So thank you that you've been today with me and see you on the next part. Bye.